Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the most common dryer parts and their locations that go bad in most Whirlpool styled gas or electric dryers. And Whirlpool style or manufactured dryers will consist of course, Whirlpool, Kenmore, Estate, Inglis, Roper, some KitchenAid, some Crosley. The Whirlpool manufactures probably 60 to 70% of all dryers. If you're not sure if yours is a Whirlpool style dryer, you can go to my website and look up your model number and it would tell you. Okay, an electric dryer, your heating element. This is a thermal fuse. This is a thermostat and a high limit cutoff. I'm going to roll you over to this other dryer I have laid on its face and show you where they are located. The heating element is located right here. The thermostat high limit cutoff is on the side of the heater box, and the thermal fuse is right by the air exhaust. This is both the same on gas and electric, barring the element. You'll still have the thermostat and cutoff and a thermal fuse in the same location, whether it's gas or electric. I'm going to run over or set you down here in front of this other dryer, a gas dryer, and I'll show you their parts and their location. This here is a gas valve assembly, which is mounted right here. They have dual coils on here, which is a primary and secondary coil. That's what opens up your gas valve. You have an igniter over here, which is mounted on the side of your glass valve. This is, of course, what ignites your gas. On the side of the heater box, you have a flame sensor. This mounts on the side of here, lets it know that the igniter is hot enough to light the gas. Here's your drum rollers. This is what holds your drum in place. They're mounted in the back, along the front here also. This is your motor. This is your idler pulley, which keeps the tension on your drive belt. If you have any questions about how to check all these, look at the side of the website and you'll see a book that I produced that will guide you through step-by-step procedures on how to check and know which part is defective so you can get your dryer up and running in no time. Thanks for checking us out.